Hello kids, welcome back to ELGA 7 online class. In this class, we are going to start Unit 4 of ELGA 7. Before starting the class, make sure that you have ELGA 7 reader, workbook, pencil and eraser with you. I'll give you 5 seconds. Be ready with your things. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So children, today we are going to learn about preposition. What is a preposition? Preposition. Preposition. Preposition are short words that connect different parts of a sentence. Preposition is a short words that connect different parts in a sentence. It shows the relation between place, people and things. Preposition tells the relationship between people, place or thing. So there are different types of preposition on. This is the preposition. So when it is used to show the day, date. It is used to show the position of a person or object. Examples: I will meet you on Sunday. Ravi was sitting on the sofa. Second word, this is also preposition in. In is also a preposition. So it shows part of the day, that is time. Shows when someone or something is already inside, in this position. Example, I drink milk in the morning. So it is showing the time. I drink milk in the morning. And second sentence is the cat is in the box. So where is the cat? It is in the box. Another preposition is into. So into is a preposition used. It is used when someone or something is changing location. Someone or something is changing location. Like Suma is entering into the room. Suma is entering into the room. Another preposition is near. N-E-A-R, near. So it shows near. It shows the position or location of an object with reference to some other things or place. Near. It shows the position or location of an object with reference to some other things or place. Example, my house is near the school or my house is near the station. At. This is also a preposition. At. So when you are going to use at, it shows the time. At, it shows the time. I met my friend at 7 p.m. Now towards. Another preposition is towards. Towards, it is a preposition and it is used to indicate direction. Towards, it is also a preposition. This word is a preposition and it is used to indicate the direction. Like we all walk towards the stage. We all walk towards the stage. Now off. This is also preposition. Off is also a preposition and it is used to show belongings. It is used to show belongings. I had a glass of milk. Example, I had a glass of milk. I am using off. Now during. During is also preposition. It is a preposition word and it is used to show when something happens over a period of time. When something happens over a period of time. Like example, Maya is coughing during the match. Maya is coughing during the match. So we have learned about preposition. So what is a preposition? It is a short word. Preposition are short words which connect different parts of a sentence. sentence, they tell us the relationship between people, place, or thing. So these are the different prepositions: on, in, into, near, at, towards, of, during. Now open your workbook, page number 92, worksheet 4. This one. Now I'll read this one. Read the sentence and fill in the blanks using correct preposition given in the box below. So they have given the preposition over here. These words are preposition, and you have to use this in this sentence. You have to fill these gaps using these preposition words. Now the first sentence is Ramesh sat dash his cycle. Ramesh sat on his cycle. Ramesh, write down on. First one is on. Ramesh sat on his cycle. The cat slept on the box. Sorry, the cat slept in the box. In the box. They walked towards. Third one is towards. Write down towards over here. Each other. They walked towards each other. Noor put the cake into the oven. Right here, into. Noor put the cake into the oven. Now I added sugar in the milk. I added sugar in the milk. I added sugar into the milk. I added sugar into the milk. Niti was sitting on the sofa. You write here on. Niti was sitting on the sofa. We played a game. We played a game of hide and seek. Of. You write it here. Of. We played a game of hide and seek. The leaves of the tree have become yellow. Here also of. The leaves of the tree have become yellow. Now worksheet 5. We have to fill in or on. In and on is also a preposition. This one. Worksheet 5. This one also you have to fill up using in or on. So the school is first one. The school starts at 7 a.m. We came every day dash time before the prayer. We came every day on time. Write down on. We reached the theatre in time. The movie was about to start. Write down in. The movie started. We reached on time. Here write down on time and so the beginning of the movie. I like people who come in time. Write down in. I like people who come in time. I do not like to wait. E1. I left home early and arrived on time to catch my flight. My flight is in time. It will leave at 10:30 a.m. My flight is in time. It will leave at 10:30 a.m. So children, for today this much only. Thank you.